Gusto mo na bang magkabahay pero hindi mo alam kung paano ito i-fund? Don't worry, there are practical ways to make home ownership possible. Let's break it down. First, you need to check if you have any negative record sa banking system. Sa Pilipinas, hindi credit score ang basihan, kundi kung may existing unpaid loan ka sa record. Kahit yung utang mo pa yan 10 to 15 years ago, pwede kang ma-deny. If cleared ka naman, then you could proceed doon sa next step. Second, explore your financing options. May iba't ibang paraan para mag-loan sa bahay. Una, bank loan. Mas mababa ang interest pero mas mahigpit sa approval. Second, Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Perfect for employed individuals na may at least 24 monthly contribution. Third, in-house financing. Mas madaling ma-approve pero mas mataas ang interest. Compare mo lang yung interest rate at loan terms para malaman mo kung ano ang mas best for you. Third, save for your down payment. Karamihan ng mga developers ay may 10 to 20% ang required down payment. Pero kung mas malaki ang ipon mo, mas maliit ang monthly payment mo. Fourth, alamin kung pasok ka sa affordability check ng bangko. Karaniwan, ang monthly amortization mo ay hindi dapat lalagpas sa 30% ng combined income nyo kung married or may co-borrower ka. Halimbawa, kung 100,000 ang combined income nyo, dapat nasa 30,000 or below lang ang estimated monthly amortization para ma-approve. Finally, get pre-qualified. Bago ka maghahanap ng bahay, alamin mo muna kung magkano ba ang pwede mong utangin. This helps you set a budget and shows the seller na seryoso kang buyer. So, owning a home this year is possible with the right plan. If you need help in finding the best financing options, kindly send me a message today.